Storytime. Little bird. A bird was feeling very hungry, so it flew down and picked up a seed before returning to its nest to eat. But when it looked at the seed, it has turned golden. The little bird was amazed. It had never seen anything so shiny before. Forgetting its hunger, it thought maybe I can sell this. The bird went to the local market and sold the golden seed to a bird trader. For 30,000 bird coins, it was overjoyed at how much money it had made. As the birds was wondering what to do with this newfound wealth, suddenly its nest began to shake. A woodcutter was chopping down the tree where the little bird lived. Panicked, the bird quickly grabbed its money and flew away from the nest. It searched for other birds, hoping to find a new home, but it couldn't find anyone. Feeling sad, the bird sat near a tree, wondering if the woodcutters had scared away all the birds. After a while, it thought about building a new nest, but it didn't want to leave its money, unguarded, fearing someone might steal it. So it called out the nearby birds, but only two birds came. The little bird, now feeling disappointed, put them in charge of watching both the tree and the 30,000 bird coins, asking them to do whatever it said. The two birds agreed. The little bird's first order was to find out where all the other birds had gone. Meanwhile, the little bird began building a new nest. When the birds returned, they said they couldn't figure out where everyone had gone. Hearing this, the little bird became extremely upset and, out of anger, treated the two birds harshly. One day, when the little bird went out to collect food and returned home, it realized the two birds had left. At that moment, the bird understood how selfish and cruel it had been. Realizing its mistake, it decided to change itself.